Hey guys, it's Michael Minatel with Heartland RV. Today I am at Great American RV SuperStores in Hammond, Louisiana, and I'm going to show you around the brand new 2021 Milestone M1 series.
Making memories, one weekend at a time.
So today I'm going to take you around the Milestone 28BH. Starting off with the exterior, our front caps, we use a automotive painted front cap. The Louisiana sun and the heat, you don't have to worry about that front cap fading over time. You'll also notice we do a standard Rotaflex hitch. It is an upgrade from the standard Lippert component hitch. Reduces chucking down the road. Overall will be a much easier ride for you. So for our roofs, you'll notice we actually wrap our roofs a full 3 inches over our sidewall. Benefit with that, it's called our leak tight roof. So if for whatever reason your seam were to come undone, water would have to travel a full 3 inches up and over to your roof to access and actually damage your wooden roof. So that 3 inches adds really quite a bit of protection for your roof. Also really benefit with that also allows water runoff, so when it's raining, stuff like that, you don't have to worry about water really sitting on your roof. You'll also notice we do quite a bit of pass-through storage with these units, including outdoor kitchens, so you actually get a mini refrigerator with a 2-burner stovetop. You'll notice we have Lippert ground control with these units for stabilization, which is great. One feature that a lot of you we don't really touch upon a whole lot, actually underneath our wheel wells, we put a piece of galvanized steel underneath our wheel wells for all Milestones. In case of a blowout, your underbelly is protected. Now I'll take you into the inside of the coach, but before that, you'll notice all Milestones come with a solid surface MORryde step. So in the rear of this coach, you're going to get your 2 bunks right in front of your theater seats that recline to watch your TV. Cool feature for the interior of these Milestones, all Milestones for 2021 come with a new eTV. It actually has a built-in soundbar that you'll see on the bottom of it. With that actually comes HDMI hookup and USB inputs. So if you want to connect your laptop, Apple TV, Roku sticks, stuff along those lines, you have direct access to that in the front of your TV. On all Milestones, you're also going to get LG HiMac countertops in the kitchen standard. They're antimicrobial, anti-porous, really great to just have in your kitchen for cooking. Also new for 2021, on all M1s, you're going to get these wireless charging ports, so be able to put your phone right on there while you're doing the dishes, making food in the kitchen, very convenient. All M1s are also going to come standard now for 2021 with Lippert One control. You'll have access to your lighting, your slide outs, your leveling system, all in this one LCD plant panel. So the coolest feature about the 28BH is the hidden storage it has on this bottom bunk. If you take the bottom pad out, place it on the top, we actually have a handle right here that when you pull it up, you have all this storage for canoes, bikes, rafts, whatever you need for your camping trip. I appreciate you guys kind of coming around and checking out the new Milestone with us. Any questions at all, please visit Great American RV SuperStores on their website or give them a call.